At first glance, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale and the Ultrean Food Scale look almost identical, but the devil is in the details. One leans toward no-frills simplicity and value, while the other adds features that feel a bit more premium. As we go deeper, the trade-offs become clear once you actually use them. We will compare performance, features, design, ease of use, build quality, cleaning, and overall value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. When it comes to design and build, Etekcity wins on visual presence with a larger, more polished look that feels sturdy on the counter. Ultrean is more compact and lighter, which suits those with small kitchens or who prefer to store it easily. This size difference matters because the Etekcity suits serious cooks needing space, while the Ultrean appeals to minimalists who trade footprint for portability. When looking at features and capabilities, Etekcity positions itself as the feature-rich choice with a more advanced function set, giving experienced users more control. Ultrean counters with a more straightforward, no-frills approach that focuses on core weighing tasks. This trade-off means Etekcity benefits users who want detailed presets and functions, while Ultrean appeals to those who prioritize a simple, direct tool for everyday use. When it comes to real-world use, Etekcity feels more substantial with a thicker body and a stable flat base that keeps it firmly in place while measuring. Ultrean is lighter and slightly thinner, which can lead to sliding on slick counters, but still handles most home tasks well. For baking precision or food prep batches, Etekcity offers faster, more consistent readings, whereas Ultrean suits casual use where slight delay or variation is acceptable. When we look at pricing and overall value, the Ultrean Food Scale is offered at a lower price point, making it attractive for budget-focused shoppers like students or anyone tightening their grocery budget. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale sits at a higher tier, which reflects its broader feature set and better overall capability. For most home bakers and fitness-focused users, that extra investment in Etekcity delivers stronger long-term value. If your priority is simply saving money up front, Ultrean is the clear choice in this comparison. If you are just starting out or value a clear, feature-packed display, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is your best fit. Choose the Ultrean Food Scale if you prioritize spending less upfront and do basic cooking at home. Etekcity suits dedicated bakers and fitness trackers, while Ultrean serves tight-budget households. The trade-off is a higher price for Etekcity in exchange for easier use. Final verdict leans Etekcity for users who want the most features and the smoothest handling during tasks like careful measuring or recipe prep. Choose Ultrean if your priority is a lower price point and straightforward performance for everyday cooking. For beginners, the Etekcity setup is the best for beginners, while the Ultrean option delivers the best value for tighter budgets. In this comparison, the biggest difference is that the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale focuses on no-frills simplicity and value, while the Ultrean Food Scale adds a more premium feel with extra features and a larger platform. If you want straightforward, reliable measuring at a budget-friendly price, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a solid fit. If you prioritize a bigger surface, more unit options, and a slightly higher-end experience, the Ultrean Food Scale makes more sense. Neither option is automatically better. The right choice depends on your budget, kitchen habits, and how much you value extra features. You'll find links to both products in the description below. If this comparison helped you make a more informed decision, consider subscribing for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Check the links below for current pricing and details.